bes, alam niyo bang ang music video ng SB19 na DAM just hit over 10 million views? Grabe! Kung hindi mo pa napapanood, well, anong ginagawa mo sa buhay mo? Pero don't worry, kasi ngayon pag-uusapan natin kung bakit sobrang lakas ng impact ng kantang to. Ready na ba kayo? First of all, gusto ko lang sabihin, SB19 never disappoints. Hindi ko alam kung paano nila nagagawa ito, pero bawat comeback, ibang klase ang energy at emotions na binibigay nila. DAM is on a whole different level. Yung mismong music video, cinematic masterpiece. Grabe yung visuals. Kita mo yung intensities about frame, yung raw emotions, tapos yung color grading, sobrang ganda. Parang nanonood ka ng mini movie. And let's talk about their outfits. Ang astig, mukhang pang-international na talaga. Feeling ko pwede na silang ilaban sa Hollywood action movies. Okay, let's get into the lyrics. Hindi lang ito basta-basta. DAM or Dahil Ako Mismo hits different. It talks about personal struggles, breaking free, at pagiging matapang sa harap ng challenges. Ang lalim ng meaning. Alam niyo yung feeling na may gustong-gusto kang maabot pero ang daming humahadlang? DAM is exactly like that. Parang sinasabi nilang, walang makakapigil sa amin. Ganyan. At syempre, yung vocals. Ay, nako. Pablo, Josh, Stel, Ken, at Justine, sobrang linis. Hindi lang puro kanta, may damdamin. At yung rap parts, kakagat. Ramdam mo yung intensity, parang gusto mo na rin sumigaw. SB19 as expected. Ang sayaw, walang tapon. Yung choreography parang may kwento rin. Hindi lang basta swag. Ang sharp ng movements tapos ang synchronization pang world class. Nakaka-proud mga best. Alam mo yung feeling na gusto mo siyang gayahin pero alam mong hindi mo kakayanin? Relate ka ba? Hindi lang tayo nahok dito mga best. Look at the numbers. Over 10 million views. At trending pa. Ewan ko na lang kung paano nila nagagawa to. Pero SB19 is really making history again. P-pop is global and SB19 is leading the way. And of course, shout out sa mga 18. Grabe kayo. Walang tatalo sa support ninyo. Ang daming fun reactions online. Puro goosebumps, puro wah! At sana all yung makikita mo sa comment. So ano best? Kung hindi mo pa napapanood, panoorin mo na. Ito na yung isa sa pinakamalupit na releases ng SB19. Talagang pasabog. They keep proving na hindi lang sila basta boy group. They are legends. Kayo, anong thoughts ninyo about DAM? Let's talk in the comments. At kung gusto nyong more reactions and reviews, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Maraming salamat mga best. Kita-kits ulit SB19. Let's go!